Coming here was the best move I made.
Kind of checked all the boxes for me on what I was looking for employment.
Benefits are great. Health benefits, dental, vision, 401k, pays well.
You work at a lot of places, and it's usually fend for yourself, figure it out. Everybody here is more than willing to lend you a hand for anything.
Here, there's opportunities to advance and develop. There's all sorts of training. You could advance into management if you want. I think it's endless to where you want to go.
I started out rebuilding hydraulic cylinders, went to the new prep, went to the spec shop, was in field service for a while, and then I took the tech TC position. I worked my way right up.
Transitioning from automotive to diesel is relatively easy in this day and age because all the onboard diagnostics in automotive are very similar. Heavy equipment is large, it's open, you can stand up and work most of the day. You're not on a creeper with no clearance for your nose underneath a hot car. And everything big, we have overhead cranes, forklifts, every kind of jack stand you can imagine.
If we come across a problem that we don't know exactly what it is, there's always somebody willing to help. Nobody is doing things on their own.
The training they provide you is a lot of hands-on in the classroom. It's totally based on the machines you're going to be working on and how to get them fixed and how they work, so you know how to diagnose the issues that's going on.
Hydraulics was very intimidating for me. Never really worked on pumps or anything until I came here. We get to training, but now I know how they work. The interrelation between electricity and hydraulics, electrohydraulics, that training and a little bit of hands-on experience and a little bit of mentoring from my lead men really brought me up to speed quick. I'm no longer at all intimidated by it.
When you work for an industry leader like Caterpillar, you don't really ever have to worry about job security because this is a business that keeps moving up and up, and when you're an industry leader, there's plenty of work to be done.
Job security is great. We always have equipment out there coming in. Wintertime, we always have really big jobs where they take up a lot of time. I've yet to see where we've been slow.
I came on board, I tried it out. After 6 months, I was comfortable and confident that I'll probably retire from here. With the multiple branches of Milton CAT, I've always kind of wanted to live up in like New Hampshire, Maine, up in the woods. And I'm absolutely certain from everyone I've met in the Milton CAT family that if I made my intentions known, they would be receptive on the other end.
I really enjoy the flexibility of your work time. They're very family orientated. Anytime I've had something going on with my family, they've let me take the time to go do what I need to do. They think family comes first.
Every day is a different challenge. There is always something new to learn.
There's a lot of growth, so if you want to go wherever you want to go and you show interest, they'll let you do it.
They're not afraid to invest in people or a shop for what you need to get the job done and get it done right.
Everybody gets along good. Everybody's willing to help and answer questions. It's a big team. It's family.